the laundromat to do my clothes, to wash my clothes, do my laundry. I have my dirty clothes in 2 hampers, a white hamper and a pink hamper. I have my laundry detergent, my fabric softener, my hangers, and my quarters. Let's get started. First, we put the laundry in the washing machine. Washcloths? Face masks? Now we pour the laundry detergent into the cap, put the quarters into the washer. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Check to make sure that the settings are right. Cycle is normal. I like hot water, and I hit start. We will do this at the next washing machine too. Let's put in our quarters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And remember, I like hot water. And then washer number 3. Oh no, I need more quarters. There we go. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, it came out. Look, it came out. 6 and 7. Hot water. Soil is how dirty your clothes are. This one is pretty clean. This one's a little dirty. This is very dirty or soiled. Start. Now I put the detergent, laundry detergent, in the washer. Oops, I forgot to push start. Oh, there we go. Start. It will be 31 minutes before these are finished. I think I will eat a sandwich. Okay, the washers are finished. We open the lid. We take the clothes out of the dryer, put them in the hamper. Out of the dryer or the washer, into the hamper. Take the clothes out of the washer, put them in to the hamper or in the hamper. Take the clothes out of the washer, put them in the clothes hamper. Good. Now we take the clothes hamper, we push it over to the dryer, open the door, we put the clothes, we take the clothes out of the hamper, put them in the dryer. Out of the hamper, into the dryer. Now we put the dryer sheets into the dryer. Shut the door and put the quarters in the machine. Oops, I need one more. Let's get another quarter. There we go. Perfect. Now we choose high heat and start. Oh, look, the dryer is done. Now we need to open the door. Take the clothes out of the dryer, put them in the hamper. There. Ooh. Also, we need to empty the lint. Lint. Ooh. Yuck. Now we take the clothes hamper over to the table. We take the clothes out of the hamper, put them on the table. Now we need hangers, and we're going to hang up my husband's pants. Let's see. It's a little hard to show you because I am small and his pants are big. But we put the pants on the hanger. On. We fold my shirt. Let's see. Fold. We fold the washcloth. Fold. We turn the sock right side out. There. We fold the towel. Ooh. This is hard to do with a camera. Want to learn more? Come back next week to see my next video.